In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam region. Before we start, a quick note. This process is intended for people who have genuinely moved to a new country. Steam uses your billing information to verify your location, and trying to change regions without actually relocating can lead to payment failures or account restrictions. Make sure you have a valid local payment method and a real current billing address in your new country. Begin by opening the Steam desktop app and signing in. It helps to let the client update first so all store features load correctly. Once you're in, head to the store. You'll need to make a purchase to update your store country, so browse the catalog and add any game to your cart. If you're doing this primarily to update your region, you can choose an inexpensive title you actually want to own. Refunds may be limited across regions, so pick carefully. Next, proceed to checkout. This is where the region change happens. On the checkout page, look for the country setting tied to your billing details. Change your country to the one you've moved to. You may see the store refresh, currency shift, and prices update to reflect local tax and regional pricing, which is normal. Now enter a local billing address. Even though you're buying a digital product, Steam needs accurate local billing information for payment processing and tax compliance. Type in your real address in your new country. Avoid placeholder details. Incorrect information can cause the transaction to fail. For payment, choose a method issued in that same country, such as a local credit or debit card, a regional wallet, or another supported option that matches your new billing country. Gift cards or payment methods from your previous region typically won't work for this step. If the billing country on your card doesn't match the country you selected, Steam will likely prevent the purchase and won't change your region. After you've verified the totals, currency, and tax, complete the purchase. Once the transaction succeeds, Steam updates your account's store country automatically. If you don't see the change right away, restart the Steam client. Your existing game library remains intact, and future store prices should appear in your new local currency. If the country field appears locked, you receive repeated payment errors, or you recently changed regions, you may need to wait or contact Steam support. They can request proof of residence if needed. Also, disable any VPNs during checkout, as they can interfere with verification. That's it. Open Steam, go to the store, add a game, check out, change your country, enter a local billing address, pay with a local method, and complete the purchase to update your region.